Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to configure the core company settings in your MRPeasy account. These settings affect your documents, production planning, purchasing, and scheduling, so it's a good idea to review them before you start using the system. We'll cover regional settings, company details, working hours, holidays, and the PDF editor. Let's begin with regional settings. Open settings, system settings, regional settings. Click Edit and verify that the settings match your location and business requirements. Regional settings determine how dates, times, and other regional preferences are displayed throughout MRPeasy. Specify your primary currency using a 3-letter currency code, such as EUR, USD, or GBP. These are just examples. Any valid currency code can be used. Next, open the Company Details section and enter your company information. The details entered here are automatically used on documents generated by MRPeasy, including quotations, purchase orders, invoices, and other outgoing business documents. Make sure your company name, address, contact details, tax information, and other relevant fields are accurate. Next, let's look at working hours. The working hours page defines your standard business calendar, including working days and daily operating hours. MRPeasy uses these settings when calculating production schedules, delivery dates, and lead times. Any day with working hours assigned is considered a business day. When entering supplier lead times, make sure they are specified in business days. If needed, individual workstation groups can have their own working schedules that override the company-wide settings. The Holidays page allows you to define non-working days such as public holidays and company shutdowns. Each holiday is set as a fixed date. MRPeasy excludes these dates when calculating production schedules and delivery dates. You can also define holidays separately for individual workstation groups when different resources follow different calendars. Finally, let's look at the PDF editor. The PDF editor allows you to customize the appearance and content of your outgoing documents. First, upload your company logo. Once uploaded, the logo will be displayed automatically on your documents. Next, you can rename document titles. This lets you replace default document names with terms that match your company's terminology. Then choose which company details are shown on documents. You can control which information appears by default on your printed and PDF documents. After that, customize the document layout. This allows you to adjust the overall structure and design of your documents. Finally, add footer information. You can include payment instructions, legal notices, or your standard terms and conditions here. That's it for the basic company setup. Once these settings are configured, your documents, scheduling, and planning processes will reflect your company's operating rules and branding. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other MRPeasy demo videos.